I'm the RC Hunter, and today is a special day. I got this parcel, and it's from my local hobby store. Please support your local hobby store because it's how they make a living. It's alright getting Chinese stuff, but support your local hobby store. This is from Modelsport UK in Otley. That's in West Yorkshire, United Kingdom, and they kindly sent this over to me. Super, love it, and thank you so much. So let's open it. I ain't opened it yet, as you can see, and here we are. This is the BUGSTA, and it's from FTX. So let's have a quick look at it. This is absolutely awesome. This is 1/10, so it's going to be a big guy. It's really heavy. It's going to be a big car, this. Plenty of bashing. Right then, I think that's it. Oh, super excited. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Jesus weepers, man. Let's take this bit out. It's very rare to do unboxings. Let's take this out. Let's see what we've got in here. We've got quite a lot of stuff in here. I have to put this over here because there's no room for now. Let's see what comes in the box. This one here, I think it might be the TX. So I'll quick scout. Oh yes, it's the TX. Nice looking TX. This is the TX. I'm guessing up here is all your trims. It takes 8 AA batteries. So that's your TX. Like I say, you're probably going to get some awesome range on this. And if you guys are going to buy this, I advise you to put rechargeables in, because end of the day, 8 AA's are quite expensive and you can recharge it. So, you know, get some rechargeables in it and away you go. In here, so you get a plug for UK, this is for the charger, and the charger looks like a Tamiya. Yeah, it's the battery, the Tamiya connector. Charging instructions, which is awesome. Instruction booklet. So you get a French version of the manual and the English version of the manual, and it is, like I say, FTX, so they're on par with Traxxas, and you get so much more. You get a manual just for components and upgrades. That's awesome. Let's have a look at this. So everything in there, a manual by itself, is just for upgrades on your vehicle. That's so cool. Tells you how to refill your oil shocks, front and rear. Tells you about your servo, everything. So that's really cool, that. And then a manual, instruction manual, how to get the thing going. So that's awesome. Let's come on to this baby. Wow. Let's just pull this off. This is so cool. Them tyres are ginormous. Oh, them shocks, beautiful. Look at the cotton pins. Look at the size of them. Crazy. Let's have a look inside. Just put them over there. Take the body off. Oh wow. Oh God, Look at that motor. It's a 550 motor, guys, so it's a pretty big motor. Let's take the battery off. So the battery is an 1800 milliamp 9 7.2 volts. Pretty sturdy brick this actually. So you get a pretty good run time on 1800. If you look at the dry shaft, it's all anodised, and all your adjustable steering arms, turnbuckles on your back and front, and shocks are ginormous. Really cool. Wow, and it's quite heavy. But them wheels. This is the body. This is the shell. Full Lexan, and beautiful thing about it, it's a Beetle. It's my favourite car. The windows are actually see-through. I do like that. I think, you know, a see-through window. I'm going to do a little test drive on it today, but on Sunday when me and Homie Paul are back on track, we'll be going out on Sunday with our new findings and giving this and his trucks some real good bashing. So keep tuned to Homie Paul's channel, Wakey Wakey RC. Keep tuned to my channel and watch us on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Catch you all later. Ciao for now. I'm the RC Hunter, and we're here today back at this little car park up me and Homie Paul always come to for a quick bash. And there she is, the battery's in. 8 batteries are in here, and we're going to take her for a ride, so enjoy.
And I'm just out of school, like I'm real cool. I got the jump, got the jive, got the message, I'm alive, I'm a wild one, I'm a wild one. Ooh yeah, I'm a wild one. I'm gonna keep it shaking, I'm gonna keep it moving, baby. Don't you grab my style, I'm a real wild child. Come on, baby, shake all night long. Shake till I need to come home from the bone, but I'm a wild one. Ooh yeah, I'm a wild one. I'm gonna keep it shaking, gonna keep it moving, baby. Don't you grab my style, I'm a real wild child. Yeah. Number 88, don't be late.
Well, we're back. That was just a little teaser, like I said before. We're going to go out on Sunday with Homie Paul's trucks, and the battery was virtually flat, so I just wanted to see if we're okay on that. She seemed pretty good, so I'm still looking forward on Sunday to take her out, and I hope you come and join me and Homie Paul having a bit of fun. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.